Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the unsupported browser error you might be seeing in Google Chrome. If you've ever bumped into that frustrating message, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll know what's causing the problem and how to solve it for good. Let's jump right in. First things first, go ahead and open up your Google Chrome browser. If you're getting that unsupported browser message, it usually means there's something up with your version of Chrome. Maybe it's a little out of date or a key feature isn't running quite right. Just double-click the Chrome icon or search for it from your start menu or desktop. If it doesn't open right away, just give it a moment. Sometimes computers take a second or two to wake up, especially if you have a lot of tabs open from earlier. Now, to actually fix the unsupported browser issue, we're going to head into Chrome's settings. Look to the top right corner of your browser window. You'll see a little icon that looks like 3 vertical dots stacked on top of each other. That's often called the Chrome menu or More button. Click on those 3 dots. If you're on a laptop or tablet, it might be a little smaller, so don't worry if you have to squint for a second. Once you click those dots, a drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, scroll down and find Settings. Click on it. This brings you to a page with all sorts of options, but don't feel overwhelmed. We're here for one specific thing, and I'll guide you through it. On the left side of the settings page, look for an option called About Chrome. Sometimes you might need to scroll down a bit, or it might be at the very bottom depending on your Chrome version or device. Click on About Chrome. Here's why this step really matters. Chrome checks your current version, and if you're running an older one, it will automatically start downloading the latest update. The unsupported browser message almost always pops up when Chrome is outdated, which means it's missing important security patches or new features needed by the websites you're visiting. By clicking About Chrome and letting it update, you're giving your browser all the newest tools. If an update starts, you'll see a progress bar or a message letting you know it's installing. Feel free to grab a coffee or just sit back for a few moments. Some updates take only seconds, but bigger ones might need a minute or so. Once the update is finished, Chrome will usually ask you to relaunch the browser. Go ahead and click Relaunch if you see that button. When Chrome restarts, check the website that gave you that unsupported message. 9 times out of 10, the issue should be completely resolved. And that's it. You've just fixed the unsupported browser problem in Chrome by updating to the latest version. This is a great habit to have. Staying updated not only keeps those annoying errors away, but it's also better for your privacy and security. If you ever run into websites not loading properly or weird errors, checking for updates is always a smart first move. If this video helped you out, go ahead and hit that like button. If you've still got questions or ran into any tricky issues along the way, drop a comment below. I love helping out, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.